Hello everyone, today's our learning topic is how to add Favicon on a website, which is most important for SEO and user perspectives. So, how to add Favicon to your website? Basically, Favicon looks like in that way. আমরা এগুলো দেখি where and how it looks like. Without Favicon, it will be in that way, and with Favicon, that will be in that way, which is really a nice portion. And then importance of Favicon. Importance of Favicon is related to from SEO factors and user interface factors. Okay, so what is the actual fact of SEO factors in related the importance of Favicons? Brand recognition. Favicon can improve brand recognition and awareness, which can be considered a ranking factor by search engine. And the another one is credibility. A professional looking Favicon can enhance the credibility of the website, which can positively impact user signals and search engine ranking. And then navigation. In the purpose of user interface factor, navigation is most important. Favicon can help user easily identity and switch between the multiple open tabs, which can improve the website visibility and user friendliness. And the next one is aesthetics. A well-designed Favicon can enhance the overall visual appeal of a website, creating a positive first impression and improving the user engagement. And then, before preparing a Favicon, we need to know about the file format and size. File format of Favicon is favicon.ico and .png. We can use ICO file and PNG file for Favicon, and the size must be perfect square in that way. And the another portion is Favicon sizes. 32 pixel, 180 pixel, 192 pixel, and 270 pixel. Basically, those are used most widely in different spaces and different circumstances and different platform of iOS user, Android user, Chrome, and multiple variants of Windows PC. So those sizes will be used in Favicons. And naming and placement. Favicon naming favicon.ico, and it will be placed on the root directory of a website. If you use any platform like Shopify, Magento, and any others Sketch-based application, you will have to put on the root directory folder. How to add Favicon on website? We will learn in three options using the Favicon. First, using WordPress customizer, using plugin, and manually. In those three ways, we will learn each and everything of Favicon. Then, first step, option using WordPress customizer. Here I have opened a website which is based on WordPress and going to my dashboard. And to use Favicon, we will have to use our website theme option in the customization mode, which will be appeared in appearance, theme, and customization. If you click on there, you will be redirect on this portion, in this portion. And here we will get site identity portion, and this is the Favicon portion. Change or click. Just remove or include you whenever you have changes it, and upload this file. You will get your Favicon, and just save that and refresh again and visit the site. You will get the Favicon. This will be appearing here. Number two, option to using plugin. You can use different plugin in the WordPress platform. In the plugin section, add new and add some different plugin. Just write in here Favicon. You will get this plugin and just install it and upload, install it and activate it and install it and upload your Favicon. You will get this kind of option. And the another one, another portion we will use the option 3 manually. How to use how to upload your Favicon manually. If you use like your website platform is not built in any CMS, you are using this scratch mode, HTML or any other platform, then you will have to follow this process. The process is based on, I'm just showing the code. Just open your code portion and open the head portion of the section and just use this code, your website link and favicon.ico. It will be appear on the there. And the another portion I'm just focusing you all that if you would like to prepare your favicon manually, then just use your logo and make it sure that is used in transparent background and just use that from before discussing the file portion. And you can use online platform to use favicon. Just go to in this website favicon generator and you will if you google on there you will get a lot of website to generate a favicon. Thank you very much. In this way you can upload your favicon. To get in touch in CED, please subscribe and like. If you have any query or question, just ask in your comment section or ask in your website query pattern. Thank you.